In this video demonstration, I am going to show you how to create connection to Stripe service and import data into SQL Server table using COZYROC REST components. Run Visual Studio under Administrator account and create a new Integration Services project. Click on Data Flow tab and click here to add a new data flow task. From left side panel, scroll down and drag and drop a REST source component on canvas. Double click on it and click New to create connection to Stripe service. From Configuration drop-down menu, select Stripe.
Are you tired of updating packages because of changing metadata? How many hours have you spent accommodating new source and destination columns? How many nearly identical packages do you have to maintain? Especially when you need to update hundreds of them. Well, you should check out COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus component. Dataflow Task Plus provides the ability to acquire the metadata and map the columns at runtime. You can even use transformations on the data. Just add the changes at the source and destination, execute, and Dataflow Task Plus will handle the process of extracting, transforming, and loading the desired columns from the source to the destination, without a need to change the existing package. It works with any standard SSIS Dataflow components, transformations, and application adapters. No more manual package updates. Design your SSIS data flows with Dataflow Task Plus and save hundreds of hours. A vision of completely metadata-driven processing is now possible. Download COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus from COZYROC.com. It's free for testing and development within Visual Studio.
And here we have to provide our API key. You can find your API key in your Stripe profile. Let's test our connection. Test connection succeed. Click OK. From Resources drop-down menu, select Invoice. Click on Columns tab to see available columns. For this demo, I'm going to use just a few of them. And click on Preview tab for data preview. Here is the list of invoices we have in our Stripe account. Click OK. Scroll down and drag and drop all of the Bidirectional component on canvas. Double click on it and configure your database connection. OK. Now select source component and drag the blue arrow connecting source with destination. As output, select invoice. Double click on destination component, mappings tab, to map source with destination columns. Click OK. Before to execute the package, let's see what do we have. We have a list of invoices in our Stripe account, which we are going to import into SQL Server table using COZYROC REST components. We are ready to execute the package. Package execution is successful. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.